Hospitalizations are down across Jefferson County. 36 patients are battling the virus right now, and that is the lowest number in nearly a year. But just because people are out of the hospital doesn't mean they're out of the woods.
Yeah, we've talked a lot about long-haul COVID and those symptoms for them. It can continue. 12 News reporter Christiana Ramos tonight sharing the long-term care challenges these folks are facing.
Unable to breathe, organs failing. COVID has left many people in hospital beds, fighting for their lives.
We had a lot of deaths.
Lack of resources, PPE, and staffing shortages this past year left hospitals like Mid-Jeff Extended Care overwhelmed.
At this facility, we received 8 med-surg RNs, along with 6 respiratory therapists that were provided through the state, and that enabled us to be able to care for we were maxed out every day with 25 patients.
But the problem doesn't end when COVID patients are stable and discharged.
There is a population that, did suffer from the virus, and we continue to see some of those coming back through the hospital systems.
Most COVID patients are suffering long-term effects.
Scarring in the lungs, they're going home with oxygen, neb treatments,
which requires additional treatment, like physical therapy, medication plans, and other rehab.
They've had patients go home and regress because they're not doing what their proper follow-up care is.
Discharge can be really scary for most patients.
It's almost like they have like a PTSD.
And regardless of the obstacles hospitals have faced, Mid-Jeff Extended Care has made it easier for those patients with their treatment plans.
You just have to be their biggest cheerleader, pretty much. If they're scared, you've got to root them on.
Mid-Jeff has had many success stories.
She's home, she's walking, talking. She had a feeding tube that's been taken out. She's thriving.
Only 4 COVID patients are in Mid-Jeff Extended Care right now, making it easier to keep up with other patients' long-term aftercare plans. The additional staff Mid-Jeff received will be released by the end of October. They say if you are hospitalized due to COVID, to be consistent with your aftercare treatments to avoid long-term effects. In Beaumont, Christiana Ramos, 12 News.